A bird in the spaceship.
I'ma kill him.
No, you won't. He's the amazing bird.
No.
He is exploring space. Right now, he is. He's looking for food. And now he just found garbage. And then. And here is his room. That is his nest. He killed someone.
I'll kill someone. You want? I'm killing the bird.
And this is the amazing bird. What's your name?
No. I'ma kill him. Oh my god.
He's gonna go back to his home.
His real home. His real home. Tell me when to stop the video. Stop it?
Yeah, stop it.
Yeah?